Okay, so this is, it's so big. It's honestly so big. So now I'm gonna try and see if I can open it up. Let's see. Okay, put you guys right here. Okay, so it's super big. Oh, seems like it's upside down. Whoopsie. Where is it? Yeah, I think so. Okay. Okay. So here's the case, and then I got some other stuff. So I got a mouse pad, I guess, and whatever this is. Wait, what is this? What? What is this? What is all these cables? What is this thing? What is this? Guys, I am so confused right now. Look at it. Hey. Wow. It looks really nice. The only problem is that where I'm putting it, because I'm going to put it right here, I won't be able to see the tempered glass side. So this tempered glass side is going to be like this way. I don't mind that, because it's the best way to keep it cool and being able to have all of these accessible. I have no idea what all these cables are for, or like, yeah, I have no idea. I think this is the power supply to the computer, but other than that, I have no clue what all of this is. I have no idea. I don't know if there's anything I'm supposed to do, or if there's like anything I actually need to do. Drivers and utilities, that is probably very important. And what is this? Something. I have no clue. I'm so clueless. There's like quick installation guides and all that stuff, and I'm like, okay, but isn't this already, like, it looks like everything is already in there, and looks like they built everything. So I am pretty confused, because I don't think there is anything for me to do. Hopefully, I think I just start it up. I'm gonna start it up. Whatever, I'm gonna start it up. You know what, that doesn't look too bad, and at the same time it kind of like separates this from this, and that's nice that I have this, because I can already tell that this is gonna be pretty dark. So yeah, pretty happy so far, so good. Okay, ignore how dusty my screen is. I legit washed it yesterday, and look how disgusting. Oh. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, I accept. Wow, I'm so excited. So excited. This is the first, oh, 2 seconds. Oh, my phone and PC, okay. I guess so. There's so much stuff to do. And oh, okay, next. I'm like sweating because it's like so hot. Okay, next. It's so beautiful. I'm not gonna take off the plastic on the tempered glass because I do not trust myself. It's gonna get too dirty, so sure. Now something is gonna, hello, okay, thank you. How many minutes? That is the big question. This can take a couple minutes. Okay, I'm gonna go for a little bit, and when I'm back it will be all set up.